So I'm here at Tom Wrigley with Tom, and we've got a bit of a lineup of probably the best collection of tuned BMWs in the UK.
Yeah.
Now I want to start off with this G80 here. Can you just give us an overview of what's happening with this?
So this car's having a fully built engine, single turbo kit, built gearbox. This will be pushing over 1,000 horsepower when it's all done. This guy's quite well known on the internet.
Who's that?
Well into his racing, Verk. Yeah, big guy, loves his racing and loves his powerful BM. So, of course, he's in the right place.
Best colour to have it as well, Isle of Green.
Nice with the orange interior.
So
Not for everyone, but it's nice.
No, I like it. So he's coming for obviously the stage 3. What's he running
so he's
now?
currently running stage 2. He's been really happy with it. He's done about 8,000 miles in it. Zero issues. Done a lot of big racing with it, and now he's moving on to the next level.
Move on to the good colour combo here, isn't it?
Yeah, so this is one of my own personal cars. Familiar to a lot of people, I'd imagine.
Yes.
So this used to be my M240 in grey. Since then we've wide-bodied it with some M2 competition parts. It's got a DCT gearbox,
DCT gearbox with a B58?
Yeah, that's the only one in the world, first in the world and only one in the world.
So how's that respond? Is it good?
Yeah, cool. It's something different, you know, the B58 coupled with it. I find it revs so much higher, because obviously the B58 standard, and also it had a torque converter bolt to it, so it's used to a bit more slow. So that is, animal of a thing, really.
The M2 looks so good in orange.
It does. Well, that's one of my favourite cars, M3 GTS E92, and that's kind of my inspiration on it. I can't afford one of those.
For sale at the moment.
Yeah, can't afford that.
International.
I wish. Not quite that league yet, but yeah, awesome.
Another one of your projects here?
Yeah, probably every M140 owner's worst nightmare, this car, to be honest. This is a 9-second car on the street. It's actually the world's fastest now. World's fastest M140, runs a 9.4 on the road. This package will be available in the new year for people wanting to take their M140 to the next level. So fully drive in and drive out.
Like looking at it, you just think it's a normal M140i.
That's the whole point with it.
9-second car.
Yeah, no, it's you're gonna do a bit more with that one, as we discussed.
Coming in the new year, you'll see more bits on this car, which we'll get another video with.
Again,
another famous car.
Famous car, Ricky LLF. Big build on this one.
So what's this running?
So this is running 880 horsepower, single turbo, fully built engine. Been about the block a bit. Just had to come back here to get it all sorted. It's now running absolutely as it should.
Ticks over nicely.
Ticks over nicely, does the numbers, does the power, ready for him to collect. Maybe in time for Christmas, bit of an early Christmas present.
There you go.
He's happy.
Enjoy, Ricky.
Yeah, a lot going on with Ricky in the new year as well. Some really cool builds.
Good to hear. Moving on, now this is a bit of a special build, isn't it? Very
special again. So this is the Fastest M135i.
Looks like an M2, it is an M135. It's got an M2 front, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is, they haven't wide-bodied it like mine, but it's got a front bumper. So yeah, world's fastest M135i, world's fastest N55, makes about 800 horsepower, 850, with more to go. Single turbo, top mount, fully built engine, absolutely all singing, all dancing, really.
I think, so can I just open the bonnet?
Yeah.
I think, right, the N55s sound better than the B58s.
Yeah, they sound phenomenal, with this setup as well. So,
I mean, look at that.
As you can see, not a lot standard.
The turbo is huge.
That's how you got to do if you want to do these records. So, yeah, pretty awesome bit of kit.
Can we hear it?
Give it a little rev for you.
Follow me. Oh my God. Look at the oil on the floor. What's the oil? It's the residue or whatever.
Yeah. It's just a bit of condensation. This car's not been run for a while.
Wow. That sounds mega.
Doesn't it?
And then obviously coming on to more builds you've got here.
MSB, so Michael Schublacker, another big YouTuber.
Yeah, very funny guy.
Very funny guy, good guy. He's having a full build on this. Can't go into too many details because he's going to release it himself, but very special M140 there.
So did he bring this to your standard?
Yeah, standard now, so we're taking it from standard to its full incarnation.
Yeah, so keep up to date with Michael Schublacker's channel if you want to see what's going on. This car here?
This is just a customer, running stage 2 plus now. wants to go stage 3.
Stage 2 plus on these 140s are really good.
Fantastic value for money.
Yeah.
You've got 450 horsepower on tap, on pump fuel, lovely, nice place to be. So basically what we're going to add to that package is a pure 800, which will do around 550 on pump fuel. Nice place to be with these cars. So that's a nice thing. 550
brake and hatchback, really good drive.
It is.
And then staying with the German theme, but coming away from BMW, this is a bit of a special build as well, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So this is my very good friend Dev's car. Some people will recognise the reg or the theme of it. He had an extremely fast F80.
Yeah, remember that.
V2 sit.
Yeah.
Broke a lot of records with that car, so this is his other car. So we just done a stage 1.5, I'd say. It's got a full exhaust on it and a mat. Yeah, runs comfortable 9 seconds, wafts along.
Yeah.
We're not pushed times out of it. It's an extremely fast car.
Just do the numbers.
I mean, they're silly fast standard, as you know.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably got another 150 horsepower on standard, so you can imagine the power. But again, just OEM feel about it.
Oh.
And yeah, that wraps up. I mean, to be fair, it's a little bit quieter. Obviously, it's just before Christmas now, so we're winding down. We normally have double the amount of cars here than what's here now.
It's a good variety of different builds going on.
Definitely, yeah. But, there's normally a lot more G80s in the car park, but everyone's got them back for Christmas, so...
Well, it's good to see we've got one there anyway. But
yeah, it's nice to show you off what we can do.
And it's good to see that B58s are still common as well, yeah.
They're still coming in. Great value for value for money car, so...
Thank you very much, Tom.
No worries, been a pleasure, mate.
Glad you enjoyed. See you later.
If it was worth it, if you coming from my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead, and there's some things I had to hurt of. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, windows down so all the haters see me. Back then they didn't want me, now they wanna beat me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleazy. Always knew I had to glow, I just had to find